This is the last day of the year, 2010. It's raining quite a bit up here. River's pretty high. Cabin is a good metal roof here. This part of it here, I may put some kind of very light shelter from the water. The water gets down on the deck here and it's hard on it. Let's walk down here towards the car. A little bit of firewood that needs splitting. It's a little bit wet, actually. That goes up to the Denny Road as a driveway. There's my old trailer. I have a new one. My car, which works good. And someday, when I get a chance, I'd like to make a little bridge across the new river here, the Denny River. This checks my reclaim marker. Right down in there used to be a bridge crosses. Right in here, I've been looking at this stone here. And it looks like it's pretty good stone for building. So the cabin is more or less done. Needs to be buttoned up and make sure it's dry. But that's about all it needs. It's pretty comfortable, enjoyable. This is the interior of the cabin, and so I have my stove going well, and a few cracks I have to get. Sun goes across, can be in these windows. There's a little kitchen.